When we give, let us not ask, karapat-dapat bang makatanggap? We give not based on how good people are, but how good our God is, who is in us, whose divine nature we are partakers of. Love is given to someone who needs it the most, not someone who deserves it the most. When we operate in love, our needs are met and we are satisfied, but more importantly, we minister to others' needs as well. Now, if we reject people we don't like, people we hate or we think hate us, we reject anyone, then we lose something. And if we are participants in His mission, we're supposed to lose nothing. Let our compassion be without borders.